Would you spend $100 on a donut or $120 for a Philly cheesesteak? What about $2,000 on a pizza? Here are 6 insanely expensive versions of everyday food. Donuts are desserts for the everyman. They're utilitarian and simple, unless that is, you make them out of ube and cover them in gold. Manila Social Club in Brooklyn, New York sells these opulent donuts at $100 a pop. The Philly cheesesteak is a sandwich of the people. Steak, cheese, maybe some mushrooms and peppers, and that's it. But Barclay Prime in Philadelphia sells the iconic sandwich for $120. It's covered in truffles, foie gras, and Japanese Wagyu beef, and served with champagne. Speaking of steak, there's nothing more American than classic steak and potatoes, cheap and simple. Unless you go to Old Homestead Steakhouse in New York City, where a prime cut of Wagyu beef will set you back $350. It's supposedly the highest quality beef in the world.
It's like butter melting in your mouth.
The quintessential grilled cheese is served at Serendipity 3 in New York. This grilled cheese holds the Guinness World Record for the most expensive sandwich. At a whopping $214, it's made with cheese from a rare Italian cow, gold leaf, truffle butter, and bread infused with Dom Perignon. And the dipping sauce? African lobster bisque. Pizza and Mexican food are 2 of the best cheap dining options out there. But what about when you combine them and cover them in truffles, lobster, caviar, platinum leaf, and high-end tequila? Well, then you've got the $500 Margarita Pizza, served at Bodega Negra in New York City. Pizza, the ultimate cheap food. At least it was. Industry Kitchen in New York City makes a $2,000 pizza. Its dough is made with squid ink. It's covered in Stilton cheese, foie gras, caviar, truffles, and gold. Lots and lots of gold. It may taste great, but we'll stick to the $1 slice, thanks. Are there any insanely expensive foods you know of that we missed? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.